Hey crocheters, how are you? It has been a long time since posting my last video, so here I came with my latest design, that is the Zig Zag hat. I have used the Paintbox yarn from Lovecrafts. I have used the heather vintage color, which is my favorite color, and the champagne white. The stitches that I have used are the double crochet, back loop only double crochet, as well as the crochet double crochet stitch, or we call it also X stitch. So first I worked the band in rows, and then I worked the body of the hat in rounds, and then I decorated it with a pom-pom. I love hats with pom-pom. So this pattern comes up in 4 sizes: the baby, toddler, child, as well as the adult sizes. So you can find the pattern in my Ravelry store as well as in my Lovecrafts store. I will put the link down in the box below. So today I'm gonna show you how I made the crochet double crochet stitch. Okay, also I have used a matching scarf using the same stitches as well as the same yarn. Here it is. Let's go to our tutorial. So this is the crochet double crochet stitch. So let's see how we do it. So first we make a chain, and then yarn over. We will skip the next stitch. This is considered as space, and then second on the third stitch we will do a double crochet. Then yarn over on the second or the previous stitch we will do a double crochet. Again, chain 1, skip 1, 2, 3. On the third we will do double crochet, yarn over on the second stitch, previous second stitch we will do a double crochet. Here it is. It's so easy. So chain 1, 1, 2, 3. On the third we will do double crochet, chain 1. On the previous second stitch we will do another double crochet. So here it is. It's so simple, and I love the texture of this stitch. So hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.